front of me is POCO X6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Then click on face unlock and enter your current screen lock. Now hit start. Select next in attention pop-up, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions. Now you can name your face data, and when you finish, hit done. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!